everything is yet to come, and it seems that Vigo has made it extremely attractive, or smiling. We do not know how to take it. At the outset, its high-density batteries of 21 kWh achieve a useful autonomy of 640 km, leaving totally humiliated the rest of the electric we know on many cars of zero emissions, but it attends because there is still more. Vigo assures that the power of its machine would rise until 120 horsepower, with which it would be able to reach the 100 km per hour from stopped in only 3.2 seconds and to mark a maximum speed of 290 km per hour. These numbers put Vigo at the level of any current superbike and at a much lower price. For what you are worth a Yamaha YZF-R1 you could buy two Vigo, since they have announced a price of £7,999 €9,300, with the additional option to make you supporter of the brand through its website, obtaining a reduction in price, which would stay at £5,999 €6,960. The company has not offered more information, but seeks to break the psychological barrier to electric motorcycles through a price of demolition. And not for less, because of being able to offer this product as they have in mind could get you for what is worth a KTM RC 390. The project is in the prototype phase and estimates that at a normal recharge point would take between 7 and 12 hours to reach the maximum capacity, while in a fast charger would be able to put it to 100% capacity in between 20 and 30 minutes. Very quick seems to me. Technical file: Vigo, autonomy 640 km. Battery 21 kWh, service life of 400.000 km. Maximum power 120 horsepower, 90 kilowatts, acceleration 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.2 seconds, maximum speed 290 km per hour. Weight 160 kilograms. Price €9,300. Special price €6,960.